Ever taken a selfie with your Samsung phone and thought, wait, why does this look flipped? Yeah, that mirror effect can be super annoying, especially when the text on your shirt looks backwards. All right, let me show you how to fix it in literally less than a minute. So here's what's happening. By default, Samsung's front camera sometimes saves selfies differently from what you see in the preview. It looks normal while you're taking the picture, but once it's saved, boom, flipped version. No worries, here's how to fix it. First, open the camera app on your Samsung phone. Next, tap the settings icon, the little gear in the top corner. Now scroll a bit and look for an option called Save Selfies as Previewed. Once you find it, just turn it on. That's it. Done. Now your selfies will be saved exactly the way you see them on the screen. No more inverted faces, no more backwards text, no more confusion. Super simple, right? So next time your selfie looks weird, you know exactly what to do. And trust me, once you turn this on, you'll never have to deal with flipped selfies again.